Creating a payment link in QuickBooks Online is very easy to do. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. Log in to your QuickBooks Online account. Go to the Get Paid and Pay menu on the left navigation bar. Select Payment Links. Click Create My Link. Choose the type of link you want. Ideal for a specific customer and invoice. Perfect for recurring payments or similar situations. Provide a description for the customer to see. Select the customer from your list. Enter the amount due. Choose the preferred payment method, such as credit card, ACH. Once everything looks good, click the Create link. You will have options to paste it into an email or text message. Send it directly from QuickBooks Online. Allow customers to scan and pay instantly. The Payment Links section shows the status of your created links. You can send reminders, view details, and manage them as needed.